This video, we are going to see the source of vocabulary. The first source, study materials of the subject or the textbook of the subject. Second, listening to the speeches, oration. Third, reading essays, articles, short stories. The fourth, reading newspaper. Totally four. One is a textbook. Another is listening to the speeches, orations. Third, reading the essays or articles, short stories, something like that. The fourth one is reading the newspaper. Reading the acquiring vocabulary by reading study materials will help that we have to concentrate in this study materials. That is, when I mean study materials, that is the textbook that we are using in either in the classroom or in some other ways. But you can acquire the vocabulary by concentrating in that. When your vocabulary alone is the matter of subject there. Without having too much of vocabulary, you cannot understand the subject. And therefore, you have to study well the vocabulary in order to understand the subject. Therefore, you must concentrate in it. Then, in the same manner, we have to give much equal importance in listening to these speeches, orations, and orations. And because the orators will speak in such a manner that they know much, that they know more. Therefore, they will use peculiar vocabularies, very rare vocabularies. And this kind of vocabularies will enhance our vocabulary. When listening to the vocabulary, when we listen to the speeches, we must also keep in mind that we are listening to the subject as well as to this language. The language aspect for the learner of English is very, very important. What are the new words a particular speaker speaks, particular orator speaks? We have to note down, we have to keep in mind, because it is a kind of boasting. It is kind of the particular orator projecting himself by using different vocabulary, different concept of sentences, different types of sentences. Therefore, all these will help to improve your vocabulary as well as language skill. Reading essays or articles is also very important, because we must understand first what the essay, article, and other things. Every essay will have three parts: introduction, content, and conclusion. Introduction is the part which specifically notes that what is the intention of the author, what is the intention of the writer to write such an essay. So the introduction will speak about what he is going to speak in the future, what he is going to present in the following text, in the following items. And therefore, we have to keep in mind that the introduction will give detailed report about what the author going to present in this essay. In the same way, in the conclusion, the author will present his opinion, his suggestion, his ideas, his solutions. So, in the conclusion, what he is to give is very, very important, because in the conclusion, he would present his own views through using various words, various vocabulary. That what we want to know is what are the new words used in that articles, essays, or short stories. That is important.